Oh, hi guys, welcome back to my video. It's your girl Jessica. So this video I will be showing you guys how to fix your iPhone 11. Yeah, I said it, iPhone 11. I said it, iPhone 11. Yo, let's go. So the first thing you will need, candle, maybe a controller. Do you need glasses? I don't know. How about some fancy champagne? How about that? Or maybe not. Okay. No, you don't need all of that. But you do need a iPhone. So the first thing you would do to your iPhone, you want to hold down the power button and the volume button together. So you're going to hold those two down together, and you will hold those down for 20 minutes. Yes, I said it. You get the point. Once you're done holding it down, you're gonna sit it down and just wait. Did you hear me? I said wait. Wait. You got a working phone again. Thanks for watching this video, and I hope this video was some help to someone that didn't even know how to do that. Okay? So with that being said, show your girl some love and good luck on that journey in fixing that iPhone 11. Tune back in next week for another video.